into my house.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel into 25 days of DIY. This is the third day on our countdown to Christmas. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super cute ornament using ropes and mason jar lids. And this is super cute and you guys should totally try this. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe down below to never miss a video on 25 days of DIY. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, every single day between December 1st and Christmas, I post one DIY video per day for you guys. And this is basically just like our advent calendar countdown to Christmas. If you guys haven't seen the past two videos, make sure to click the link in the eye in the corner or at the end of the video. Give this video a thumbs up for Christmas ornaments DIY because I love doing these on 25 days of DIY. Let's get on into the video. Let's go! Okay, so all you're going to need for this DIY is just the lid of a mason jar. And so what I'm going to do is just take that and take some of this craft rope that I got, and you can get this anywhere at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, anywhere that you want. And I just chose this thin rope, but you can choose a thicker rope or anything that you want. I'm going to start at the top of the lid, and I'm just going to tie a double knot at the top to just start off my loops. Now what I'm going to do is just do a super long piece of rope so that I can start winding it around the rope all the way to the other side. And that's basically what we're going to do for the next bit of this video. And feel free to use any different colored ribbons or yarn with it too, but I just decided to just do the rope until the next step. Feel free to make different colors of this or anything that you want with different designs. You could even paint on cute designs on it or add some plants on it, but I just decided to keep mine plain. The next thing that I'm going to do is just going to use this red yarn, and I'm going to put this all around the little opening that I left with the rope. This will just give it a pop of color at the top, and also it can add a different touch to the ornament. This step is optional, so you don't have to do this, but I just decided that it would look good, so that's why I added it. Next, I added a green ribbon on the top to add a little bow. And in order to make it an ornament, just cut a small piece of ribbon, double knot it around the mason jar, and then tie a double knot up at the top of the loop to create an ornament. And that is all for this DIY, and it's super easy. And comment down below if you made this or what else you want me to try with this. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe right here on the screen. And click the watch now button to watch my last DIY from yesterday. I will see you all tomorrow with a brand new video that I think that you guys will love because it is definitely my favorite from this series. Bye!